there is news that the Sunburn Festival during the Christmas season is being shifted to Goa. Officially, I believe that this is official leak, or rather a leak of an official information. Now the whole problem is this festival has been going on in North Goa for maybe 15 years or more. Now if the North Goa does not want to hold it, it means that there is a problem there. And if there is a problem there, why should that problem be transferred to us here in the South? Somehow the Sunburn Festival has always been associated with drugs. Every news report, nationally, internationally and locally, also seems to say that drug sale is directly linked to Sunburn Festival. Now how far it is true is not for me to know, because we have no access to it. Now the whole issue is, if it is good, if the festival is really good and it is worth it, I think the government should shift it to a state where the government has always been showing partiality, where all development takes place. The biggest cricket stadium in the world is built in Gujarat. They are now building a direct rail link from Bombay to Gujarat, super fast trains. They have built a Sardar Patel big memorial there. And so many things are being done to Gujarat. So I would feel that the Sunburn Festival should be transferred to the home state of the Prime Minister, because it doesn't make sense to bring it here when we do not want it. And the BJP, it looks like, thinks that we Goans are sitting ducks, just waiting for them to come from Panjim or Delhi and shoot at us. That is not the way it is. You see, those ducks, sitting ducks, sometimes tend to be flying ducks. And when the sitting ducks fly, they become shitting ducks. And that's what the BJP will see. They will see it all over them if they try to force the Sunburn on us. I am pretty sure that the entire state of Goa is opposed to Sunburn, and in South Goa almost everyone is opposed. Now first I call upon our local self-governing bodies, the panchayats and the municipalities, to forthwith pass resolutions, both of the panchayat and the gram sabhas, and send it to the government that opposing this Sunburn. I do hope that every panchayat in South Goa will do it. It is something that is a threat to all of us.